Alright, I'm going to grab this ink right here and paint in the middle of this object. After that, I will grab this other selector right here, this red color, and then I'm going to paint around this object, and that's it. It's worth $5. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, how to paint an image and get paid $5 for each one you do. I'm going to provide you all the details in this video. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Before I get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. If you enjoy it, hit the like button and share it with others. Let's start the video. So let's go ahead and jump over to this, and we are going to start with Fiverr. A lot of you have heard of Fiverr there. Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services. You can almost offer any digital service online on this website and start charging $5 or more for anything you want. So for any business or services or skills you have, you can start charging at $5 up to, even I have seen it in $400. This is an excellent place to start a gig, as they call it, because there are thousands of people. Millions of people are going to this website every day, searching for the various services you have to provide. That's where we come in, where we can pick a great deal of money by doing this. So what we are going to discuss in this video is providing a gig in a service. We can help people remove the backgrounds from pictures. I know it seems simple, but usually the simplest thing are those truly overlooked when making money online. So what you are going to do is go over to Fiverr, enter remove the background from the photo here. Let me proceed and zoom in here a bit so that you can see this. Remove background from a photo, and you are going to discover a lot of jobs right here. Yet here is something that I want you to look at. There are many different jobs that these people have gotten. I mean, they have got 78 reviews, 663 reviews on this particular project right here. All this person is doing is offering a service that removes the background from photos. It's easy to remove the background from different objects, and that's what I'm doing. Yesterday, I hired a person on Fiverr. I sent him 5 pictures and I asked him to remove the background from the photos. I can do this in Photoshop, but I don't intend to spend the time doing it. Instead, I would go over to Fiverr and hire somebody to do that and pay them like $5 to do it. For each photo, it cost me $25. The person who did such fantastic work, I gave him a $5 tip. So it was only like $30, and I have 5 pictures that have the backgrounds removed. And thousands of people need this work done. Therefore, many people are sitting back, leaving money on the table when they can go on Fiverr and create this gig. Currently, you are most likely wondering how the heck do I remove the background from pictures. I will give you all the information in this video and reveal to you how to do it. And you can do it in less than a minute. I know it sounds crazy, but how we are crazy here on this YouTube channel. So we have got thousands of people coming onto Fiverr every day trying to find various gigs since they need the backgrounds removed from their pictures. It's your job to stand out and make it a YouTube thumbnail. Now, what do people need these backgrounds to remove for a while? They are creating YouTube thumbnails. They are creating backgrounds cover photos for Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. All of these things, yet it doesn't truly matter. People need the background removed from the photos for numerous different reasons. So what we are going to do is, we are all here on Fiverr. We got that all other ways, so here is what you are going to do. You are going to create a gig. Sign up with Fiverr if you have not already done that. If you already have an account with Fiverr, it's easy to start your own business and start your gigs on there. Now what you will do next is go over to this website. It's called clippingmagic.com. This is the most fantastic thing since sliced bread. Something that I discovered recently, and I'm looking at this. I mean, I spent like an hour and Photoshop is going around the pictures and things and crappy and everything and removing the background. But this website right here, Clipping Magic, will do everything for you. All you have to do is paint a couple of scribbles on the photo. This is the easiest thing. Anyone can do this. So I wish to reveal to you exactly how this all works. I have currently uploaded a couple of pictures here. I have got a photo of the girl, and after that, I have this bottle here that you were checking out earlier. Let's start with this picture of this girl that took in the bedroom. Let's proceed and click that, and let me go back right here real quick since I'm jumping a little bit ahead of myself. Once you get to this website, the very first thing you are going to discover this upload image button here. You can upload your images from your hard drive to this website. You don't even need to sign up for anything. Yet, I'm going to provide you some more information regarding that, or what you can do is drag a picture from your desktop or your folder window into the browser. Then it will start the uploading process from there. I have already done this and I have a couple of pictures uploaded. So right here we go. Let me proceed and also click this. It's going to load this up as well, as I'm going to show you exactly just how to do this. I mean nearly intend to put it on a timer or something like that. So here is what we are going to do. Because I claim it, you can do it $5 in 1 minute. So we are going to do like a stopwatch. I got a low stopwatch here. The first thing you are going to do is come here to the very top. Click on this little green icon right here. You are going to paint on the foreground subject and paint on the element or objects that you want to keep. Then select this little red button right here, and also this is going to be the area that you are going to intend to remove, and look at that. You see how it's currently starting to do that. Isn't that cool? I believe we are just about done. So look over right here on the site on the right, and you can see that the background has been removed, and go and stop it 33 seconds. Did a little bit quicker than that. However, 33 seconds from here, what you are going to do is come over here and click on download. Now you must subscribe to download, but I want you to hear me out below for those of you who are like, oh, I don't want to pay or anything. Let me show you the earning possibility. The profitability here as that it's hardly anything. So let's go right over right here to the pricing plans, because after you crop your photo, when you remove the background, you are going to click subscribe to download. That's all good. So come over here and I want to reveal to you the subscription plans. Check this out. I'm going to discuss everything. So it's $3 as well as 99 cents a month, less than what you are going to charge for one photo. Think about this. Now that's going to provide you 15 credits for entire month, and I'm going to show you an even better deal in just a moment. Let's claim you all only wish to opt for the strategy that costs $3.99 a month, which most of us have. You could start a business, for $3.99. It's just like a no-brainer. However, that's one credit per download as they state on this website. Let's bring up my little calculator here. Also, let's check this out. So, if we are selling each of our photos, each of our cropped picture we are going to ask for $5 if we intend to remove the background for each of the received photos from our clients. That's going to be $5 each, and let's claim we do 5 pictures. For 15 credits a month, though we can crop and remove the background out of 15 photos. Let's do the math here. So that's $5 times 15, and probably some of you already know what this will be. That's $75. Would you pay $3.95 to make $75? If you create a Fiverr account right now, create a gig that will stand out on this person. He placed this picture of this lady in this bikini. Do whatever you need to do to stand out on Fiverr, so you can get these jobs, because look at this work here. This guy's got 78 reviews, which is just the people who left reviews. He's got 5 stars. You people can utilize this software right here to do all of this now, which gets even better. The standard plan is $7.99. By the way, this is not an affiliate program. I get no cash. I don't get made up for showing you any of these things. I'm just revealing this to get the motors and the gears and the items turned up there so you can see the profitability. So standard. This is a $7.99 per month, and also it's going to provide you 100 credits. So the math about that, if we are charging $5 per photo, we could go crazy and start offering this cropping remove background service. As you know, everyone, not even on Fiverr, you can do it all of this. And you are going Craigslist, go on Facebook, start offering the services. I will do it all for $5 for each photos. Times that, and if I can do that 100 times that entire month, that's $500. Some good part-time supplement income. That's like a car payment. How long does it take you? How long did it take me to do this? 33 seconds. Actually, underneath a minute. And look at it. It looks good. The quality is excellent. I would not show you this if it was going to do some cheesy background removal thing. No. It has different features if you look down here. It has hair removal or other features. If there is a woman with some frizzy hair or even some men with a bunch of frizzy hair, it has tools inside of it, and they have different tutorials. If you can follow, that will show you how to remove the background. Maybe they are outside, it's perhaps not as clear as just a plain background. Maybe there are buildings, or maybe there are trees in the background. While they have tools on this website and tutorials that will show you exactly how to do that for those more complicated type scenes or photos. It's good stuff, no brainer. I drew red here in the background and there we go. It's done. 33 seconds. This is just how you can make money online. Go over to Fiverr and get that thing doing. Now, if you guys want to create a bit more money, this will not make you rich. Of course, you are probably going to look at somewhere around $500 extra a month. And that's all I want to show you in this video. If you guys got some value out of this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget to let us know how much you earn by using the method of this video in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.